Nigga chillin' in the back, you can't see me though. I got a snapback on in my motherfucking letter, bro. And this shit will never run. Don't give a fuck about the welcome run. But now you see me, son. See me, son. Smoking on that good shit. Now you see me, then you see these bosses hit this shit so blocks and you can't see me, bro. Ooh, this shit is foggy, and I'm cloggy, and the smoke die. Ooh, if I cough, that shit might hurt, bro. Hurt, bro. Smoking on that girt, bro. Work, bro. Man, I got at work, man. He sliding in the back, bro. I know you see that nigga, you know him, though. Niggas say them niggas on them hills going on. I ain't even really tryna even speak on hell. I don't even know what the fuck is hell. Who the fuck hell even know what hell is? How you know what hell is?
Let me take over this shit. Cause I feel like a nigga too fresh up in this shit. I gon' snatch your bitch, man. I gon' snatch your bitch. When you look around, dog, man, she'll be gone so quick. You don't wanna see me, dog. I be talking that 100 shit. You don't wanna see me, dog. I don't ever flaw, bitch. Only nigga I be hanging with is with that Mary Jane, bitch. Man, I be smoking that shit, purple shit, that gushy shit. Right now we on that green crack shit. What you know about this? Look at the nigga in the back blowing fucking O's, bitch. You don't wanna see us, watch us switch on and off like a motherfucking electrical car. Man, you see my dog right here. Holding with that fucking Trayvon hoodie right here, fucking here. Yo.
That ain't no Trayvon hoodie. This my hoodie, nigga. Yeah, she tripping. I ain't saying no disrespecting the man, but it's my hoodie. Fuck it, he blowing O's. I be in my zone. She be going O's. See though, I am black on my jacket, you already know. I pull out that gun and hit your ass on that door. You'll be laying dead on that floor, pussy ass nigga.
Pussy ass nigga, look at the O's. Pussy ass nigga, what the fuck you know? These niggas don't know shit but them Oreos. What the fuck your milk, ho? Man, you sleep, ho? Let that nigga in the back cop off. Man, that nigga right now about to have his ass off. You don't wanna see your bitch, man. The beat is going so good. Watch this nigga with that black on black, no good.
Damn.
He respected that shit. Truly.
Nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die. DC3. Nobody wanna care. Just to make it.
He said that.
Ain't nobody fail yet. Yeah, that shit is disrespectful. Motherfucker, what the heck? Hey, I ain't even gonna lie, this shit